Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's called Lily of the Valley. It's a stitch that I did in Spanish a while back, so here it is in English. It's very pretty with lots of texture, nice and thick, perfect for baby blankets. Also, on a side note, I want to let you know that I have a new channel. It's called Knitting for Baby, and it's for those of you who have asked for knit baby booties, knit baby sweaters. So we're going to do all of that in that new channel. But first, we're going to start with just the basic for those of you who want to learn how to knit. Okay, so if you want to subscribe, I will leave the link in the description box or up here. And thank you in advance if you do subscribe to my new channel. Okay, so without further say, let's get started and thank you for watching. Okay, to begin, I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook with light number 3 baby yarn. You can use any yarn as long as you use the appropriate hook size for the yarn that you're going to use. And I have 28 chains here. The stitch multiple is 4. To begin, on the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to make 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into this 4th chain, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out, 2 loops out and close. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out, take 2 loops out and close. Again, yarn over, insert your hook again into that same space, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out and close. Okay, so in total we have the 3 double crochets that I just did plus these chains that are here at the beginning. So now we're going to skip 1, 2, 3 and into the 4th chain we're going to make 3 double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3. Again, we're going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains and into the 4th chain, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then again skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th chain, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th, 3 double crochets. This is all we're going to do for this first row. Until we come to the very end. So one more. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we have 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the last chain, we're only going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, I know this is going to look a little uneven because at the beginning we have 4 double crochets, but you'll see why. For the second row, this is what you're going to do. You're going to chain 3, you're going to turn, and into the space between this fan and this 2 double crochets, so right here, that's where we're going to do 1 double crochet, and then we're going to do a double crochet, but we have 3 chains here. 1, 2, 3. Into the second chain, which is the one that's right in the very middle, we're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into that second chain right there, pull up a loop, and make sure that this loop that you pull is at the same height as the first one that you did, and make your double crochet. Okay, and then back into the same space where I did my first double crochet, I'm going to make another double crochet, but this time we're not going into the chain, I'm just going into the space like this. Okay, and there's our first fan for the second row. Now again, we have the next space, so between these two fans, right in the middle, I'm going to make my first double crochet, and then a double crochet, but I'm going to go into the second chain down here, the chain that's right in the very middle, and pull up a loop. Make sure that this double crochets is at the same height as your first double crochet, and then another double crochet inside where I did my first double crochet, so into the space right there. Like that, and then again into the next space, one double crochet, and then a double crochet onto the second chain down here, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and make your double crochet. This second row is a little hard because we're working into the chains, but on the third row it'll be a lot easier. So here, one last double crochet into this space, and that's what it looks like. So we have one double crochet into the space, and then this long double crochet that we go into the chain, and then the third double crochet is back again into the space. Okay, and then again we have our next space, so one double crochet, and then a double crochet, but you're going to go into this second chain, pull that loop really long, and make your double crochet, and then one last double crochet into that space. Okay, and two more, so a double crochet, and then a double crochet, but you're going to go into this second chain, pull up a loop, a double crochet, and a double crochet back into the same space where you did your first double crochet, just like this. Okay, and then here into this last space we're going to do a double crochet, and then a double crochet, but go into the chain, into the second chain, or the very chain that's right in the middle, and again just like that. And here to end your row on this second row, all you have to do is just make two double crochets into this space, one and two. Okay, so now for the third row, we're going to chain three, 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, and then again we have our space. So here we're going to make a double crochet, and then here, instead of going into the chain, we're going to go into or on top of the second double crochet. 1, 2, so into the second double crochet like this, you're gonna go in and make your double crochet, and then again inside the space, a double crochet, and there's our stitch. Again, we have our next space, a double crochet, yarn over again, and you're going to make your second double crochet by going on top of the second double crochet of this previous row, like this. Okay, and then one double crochet again into that same space, and then again a double crochet, and then a double crochet, but go into on top of the second double crochet, and one more double crochet. And then again into the next space, one double crochet, and then a double crochet into the second double crochet of this previous row, and then a double crochet again into the same space where I did my first double crochet, and again double crochet, double crochet on top of this double crochet, and double crochet, and then again double crochet, and then a double crochet, and one last double crochet. And to complete this third row, at the end we're always going to do 2 double crochets. Okay, and there's our third row, and this is what it looks like. Here's our stitch. I don't know if you can tell, but that's what it looks like on the other side, and that's what it looks like here. So here's another stitch. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.